Hey everybody, I wanted to make a real short update video on my progress with my aerial applicator um, with a UAV Quest. As it stands right now, I am licensed with the state of Ohio to be an aerial applicator. The next step in that process was contacting the FAA, the Flight Standards District's office, and ask about what the purpose or what the process is to obtain my 137 license or an exemption from that license. Um, and the short answer is there is no easy answer to that. I am the first in Ohio uh, that has actually contacted the FAA about this very license or the exemption of said license. And what I found is I either have to apply for the 137. I do have to submit a letter of intent, but I also have to, with that letter of intent, I also have to have my exemption. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, does it? So if I could get someone to actually give me a call back from the commercial operators branch of the FAA, from Flight Standards. Flight Standards has actually been somewhat helpful as far as this, up to this point. But I've also contacted the NAAA, the National Aerial Applicators Association, for some guidance. They don't have a lot on their website to go from because they're focused on crop dusters, of course, which I completely understand. But when I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply for the exemption under Section 333 and go from there and see what I have to do. If they grant me the exemption, then I don't have to have my Part 137. But parts of the AC 137-1B say that I have to be able to demonstrate my capabilities with the craft, and they also want to make sure that the craft is capable of doing such a thing. But then again, in another part of this, the circular it says I don't have to do that if I have the exemption. So yeah, if you're looking to do the same thing, I am trying to be as transparent as possible about the whole process that I've been through. So real quick, just for a little outline of what needs to be accomplished, I would say first, be a commercial applicator in some way, shape, or form. Have some experience in that. Two, get your Part 107. Okay, once you have your Part 107, then you can move on to the next step. For your particular state, go ahead and get your aerial applicator license and any associated license that is needed. Then you'll be at the point where I'm at. So as I get more information, as I make the certain requests and get everything filed with the FAA where I need to, or what I think I need to, I will let you know on the rest of the process. So, down below, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. Give it a like and share it to whoever else you might think might be interested in doing the same thing. Because even though I'm the only one here in the state, I would like to see more people try to attempt this. So, thanks for watching, everybody.